I'm in the quiz link, quiz 3 Excel folder. So in this folder, you'll find tools to help you prepare for the quiz. You will also find a link for the quiz itself. It'll take you to your book. The quiz is inside the simulator that is similar to the training videos. It is not its own project. You have a total of 25 tasks to complete. For each task, you're going to have 2 attempts. This is a list of the quiz topics here. Average, count, sum, functions, etc. You can read through the list. It should be activities that you've done in chapters 1, 2, and 3 of Excel. And if you scroll down to the Excel quiz training, I have 25 videos that are based on these tasks. So again, this is not for grade, the training videos, but you can just click on this and go pick and choose which one you want some more practice with. This is the quiz itself, and so when you click on this link, it'll take you to your book. See, I must have it open already. And when you hit start, it brings up the simulator. And so here's a sample question right here. So the tasks instructions are down below. You can see up here you have 2 total attempts. In cell E12, create a formula using the sum function to total the values in the range E4 to E11. So go ahead and do that. So here is cell E12. And you want to use the sum function. So you can come up here, choose sum, and notice that it defaults to E4, E11. Let's make a mistake and see what happens. So I'm going to put 12 instead of 11 and press enter. Okay, and it tells you right here, answer is incorrect, retry this task. If you choose not to retry this task here and you choose to go to next task, at the end of the quiz, it'll post this question to you again. So you get your second attempt anyway. So here again, right, and then press enter, and then it tells you you're correct. So then it automatically moves to the next task. You can see that you have a total of 25 tasks. So if you have any questions at all on what to do to prepare or how to access the quiz, you can let me know, but everything is in Blackboard. I'm just trying to get there again. There we are. Everything is in Blackboard, so you should be able to access it just by clicking on this link here.